Good evening once more. So this is really a video about tracking links. So you might have an autoresponder, which we do in our program. What is it here actually? So I loaded this up. In fact, I'm on that page there, so copy it. And find out where we were. Let's see. Yeah, so if you've got your own autoresponder and system like we do, then you can, the link that I've just done, you can sort of clone it and put one for Facebook profile, one for ads or whatever. But this video is about Bitly. It's a free service, but it's now paid as well, so it gives you 50 links. So it's just really a video of what you can do with it. So if we go, this is the home page, so you have to sign up and it's free. The only difference is paying for it, you'd get more than 50. It's just really 50 different traffic methods. So you could have one for Facebook profile, one for Instagram profile, Pinterest profile, LinkedIn, one if you were buying ads and things like that. So you click on links, remember how to do this, um, which would help when you're doing um, a video. So here at the top it's create new, and then link, and the destination is just when they click on it, what page they go to. So that's my affiliate link. And that's just what you can call it. It's called a landing page is that, so that's why it's called that. So just for example, it might be, I'll try to think of a traffic method. Say it was blog on website profile, or even blog post for a value post or whatever. And then I think it's just a case of creating it here. Alright, so you can only have the one link on the free version, so we'll just do it from here actually. So once that's the set of clicks, I don't really use it because our program has it. So you create a link, that one was done before, and it'd just be, let's see, say it was just Facebook post or something, and then you would just save it, and there's your link there. Copy a link. We can do it. In fact, there's Bitly there again, and then click on it. It's time, and yeah, it takes us to the page that we want to go to. It's best if it's a landing page and then you can collect their email. So I've done that before. It can only be if you've created a destination before, then you just need to edit previous ones. I don't use Bitly because we have our own, we use System E, but which you have to pay for. But if you're wanting it for free, this is Bitly. It's just a video about how to use it, and that's basically how you use it. So you want to take a look at our great program that we have. We don't actually need Bitly. You can, but if you're wanting to know how Bitly works, then that's basically how it is. So just let's say, if I do this again, give value first.com, that's the website. and then it would be just Facebook, just P for posts. So I think it's just a case of going in and create. Yeah, so that's it. That's it basically just created, and it's really as easy as that. So if we copy it and then just paste, yeah, so it takes it to my actual website. So that's basically, so I've done that in the first place, put a different link in, and then you track it and it tells you how many people have clicked on it and things. But on the program you've got on the system for clicks and cloning links, it's a bit more advanced. You can see a lot more how many people opted in and things like that. So that's how Bitly works basically. So you want to take a look at our system, then just click on the link, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.